Hello, my name's Pharmacist Michael, and today I'm going to talk about the benefits of Earl Grey tea, one of my favorites. Earl Grey tea is a distinguished blend known for its unique flavor. It's not just a mere beverage, but a symphony of health benefits wrapped in a warm, aromatic cup. This classic tea, infused with the essence of bergamot oil, has charmed tea enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Originating from the citrus tea rind of the bergamot orange, Earl Grey tea offers a unique combination of taste and therapeutic properties, making it more than just a refreshment, but a holistic experience. One of the most celebrated benefits of Earl Grey tea lies in its potent antioxidant content. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting off free radicals, the unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. The presence of bergamot adds an extra layer of these beneficial compounds, enhancing the tea's ability to protect cells and promote overall health. By incorporating Earl Grey into one's daily routine, individuals can bolster their body's defenses against environmental and biological stressors. Earl Grey tea has been linked to improved heart health thanks to its unique blend of ingredients. Studies suggest that regular consumption of this aromatic beverage can help reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, a balance that is vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing cardiovascular diseases. The flavonoids found in bergamot and black tea leaves are instrumental in improving heart health, making Earl Grey a wise choice for those looking to support their cardiovascular system. The soothing properties of Earl Grey tea extend to the digestive system as well. It has been known to aid in digestion and help alleviate common digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and cramping. The natural aromatics from the bergamot oil can stimulate the production of digestive juices, helping to break down foods more efficiently and easing discomfort. For those suffering from digestive ailments, a cup of Earl Grey may provide much-needed relief. Earl Grey tea is not only a physical tonic, but also a mental one. The bergamot oil infused in the tea is renowned for its calming properties, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Drinking Earl Grey can have a soothing effect on the mind, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. The mild caffeine content in the tea also provides a gentle energy boost, enhancing focus without the jittery side effects associated with stronger, caffeinated beverages. This makes Earl Grey an excellent choice for those seeking mental uplift and stress relief. The vitamin C content in bergamot oil, coupled with the tea's antioxidant properties, make Earl Grey a beneficial drink for bolstering the immune system. Vitamin C is essential for the body's defense mechanism against infections and diseases. Regularly sipping on Earl Grey tea can contribute to a stronger immune system, helping the body to fight off common colds, flu, and other infections more effectively. Earl Grey tea is a treasure trove of health benefits, elegantly combining the robust flavors of black tea with the citrusy zest of bergamot oil. Its antioxidant properties, cardiovascular support, digestive aid, stress-relieving effects, and immune system bolstering capabilities make it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether enjoyed in the quiet of the morning or as a comforting ritual in the afternoon, Earl Grey tea offers not just a moment of pleasure, but a step towards holistic well-being. So the next time you steep a cup of this venerable blend, remember that you're not just indulging in a flavorful tradition, but also nurturing your body and mind in the most delightful way. Don't forget to check out my video on the health benefits of bergamot and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more happy, healthy living information. I have also placed links to the bergamot tea and other teas that I enjoy in the description section of this video. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.